Hello everyone, it's matching game time. Let us match our words to the correct sound, okay? This is digraph TH. It has two sounds. Producing this won't give you vibration in your vocal cord, but this one, it will definitely vibrate. This one is, and this one is, think, father, thirst, brother, thin, mother, faith, that. Okay, let's do a matching game together. The first one is thin, and it's going for this lax. The second one is father, the tense, thirst, the lax, brother, the tense, thin, the lax, mother, the tense, faith, the lax, that, the tense. Okay, let's pronounce them together. Thin, which is for this lax, father, thirst, brother, thin, mother, faith, that. I'd like you to repeat after me at this point. Thin, father, thirst, brother, thin, mother, faith, that. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. The Lord bless you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.